Welcome back to Fitness TitBitz. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of smoothies and exploring how the combination of ingredients can impact their nutritional benefits. Prepare to be amazed by the recent findings from a groundbreaking study conducted by researchers at the University of California, Davis. But before we get into the study, let's quickly understand what flavanols are. Flavanols are bioactive compounds that have been linked to heart health and cognition. They are found in delicious fruits like apples, pears, blueberries, blackberries, grapes, and even cocoa. The study, published in the Royal Society of Chemistry's journal Food and Function, centered around the role of an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase, or PPO, which is naturally present in various fruits and vegetables. You might have noticed how sliced apples or peeled bananas turn brown when exposed to air. That's the work of polyphenol oxidase. But what impact does polyphenol oxidase have on flavanol absorption in smoothies? Participants in the study were asked to consume two types of smoothies. One made with bananas, which naturally have high polyphenol oxidase activity, and the other with mixed berries, which have a lower level of polyphenol oxidase activity. As a control, they were also given a flavanol capsule. Blood and urine samples were then analyzed to measure the levels of flavanols absorbed by the body. Brace yourselves for the surprising results. Those who drank the banana smoothie experienced an astonishing 84% decrease in flavanol levels compared to the control group. Yes, you heard it right. Just a single banana drastically reduced the absorption of flavanols. This discovery highlights the importance of understanding how ingredient combinations can impact the absorption of essential nutrients. For those aiming to meet the recommended daily intake of 400 to 600 milligrams of flavanols for a healthier heart and metabolism, the study suggests a strategic approach. Blend smoothies using fruits like berries, which are rich in flavanols, and combine them with other low polyphenol oxidase activity ingredients like pineapple, oranges, mango, or yogurt. By doing so, you'll optimize the absorption of these beneficial compounds and ensure you get the most out of your smoothie. But, hold on. The implications of this study go far beyond smoothies. Let's talk about tea, a primary dietary source of flavanols. Did you know that how you prepare your tea can affect the amount of flavanols available for absorption? This study prompts us to explore how various food preparation methods can alter the nutritional value of our meals and drinks. It's a whole new perspective on the impact of ingredient combinations. In a world where healthy eating is a priority, this research emphasizes that every single ingredient matters. It's not just about taste, it's about optimizing our body's ability to absorb essential nutrients. This eye-opening study is a must-know for all nutrition enthusiasts and has the potential to spark further investigations into the broader field of polyphenols and bioactive compounds. So, as we enjoy our smoothies and savor our meals, let's remember that science continues to uncover the hidden connections between what we eat and how our bodies benefit. With each banana, berry, and carefully chosen ingredient, we have the power to make our meals not only delicious but nutritionally optimized. That wraps up our exploration of the impact of smoothie ingredients on nutritional benefits. Remember, the choices we make in our kitchens can have a profound effect on our health. Stay tuned for more health and nutrition updates that empower you to make informed decisions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Take care and stay healthy.